you have a COX TV remote like this, and basically you have an issue where every time you press something, it's a delayed, slow, or hesitant response. As soon as you go ahead and go to a different letter and you clicked on select, it shouldn't take 2, 3, 4, 5, even 10 seconds. It should be like within 1 second. You go ahead and click up, it should go up. You shouldn't have to click up and then wait 2, 3, 4, 5, even like 10 seconds, okay? So this will help 50% of you guys right now. So first thing I want to do is just go ahead and take out the batteries. After the battery's out, I want you to press and hold the power button up here. Press and hold that for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds is up, let go. And now I want you to start off with the power button and press in and out. I want you to press every single button on here multiple times. Keep on pressing, because normal wear and tear, or sometimes even hand sweats or any kind of water got in here, if it basically messed up one button, it can cause all kinds of issues on the entire remote, okay? Anyways, typically, usually a delayed response is because one of the buttons is stuck. There could be dust in there. Anyways, press every single button, keep going crazy, then give it a couple whacks. Get that dust and debris out of there, and then pop the batteries back in, and then see if your remote is up and running. If it's not, I want you to do the same thing again. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds is up, let go, and then start pressing every single button on here crazy. Every single button, just keep on going down. Press kind of firmly all over. Get every single button on here. Give it a couple whacks like that. Pop the batteries back in. See if the remote is working. If it's not, try this a few more times. If it's still down, next thing I want you to do is sometimes when you just change new batteries, all of a sudden it starts working as well. Anyways, 50% of you guys should be up and running. If it worked, thumbs up. If it didn't, thumbs down. Good luck.